Watermelon is a must for summer beauty routine. It is the best whitening agent. It naturally brightens, lightens the skin, and leaves the skin with a marvelous glow. It cleanses, it moisturizes, and it exfoliates as well. Let us use a DIY whitening face mask that gets done with ingredients right from your kitchen. For this, we need watermelon juice, curd, and honey. Let us do the magic. Let us start. Take 1 spoonful of watermelon juice and mix half spoon of curd and a quarter of honey. Mix well. Apply on the face. Leave for 20 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water and see the amazing transformation.